Unfortunately, many people get told that this is just a normal part of aging. But here's the thing. This is the part people are usually surprised by because treatment is incredibly simple. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab Provides Pain and Wellness. Today we're going to discuss how a nerve near your ankle may help calm overactive bladder symptoms, urge incontinence, and those frustrating nighttime bathroom trips. All right, let's get into it. We have all experienced this ourselves or know somebody dealing with it. The sudden urge to pee. The I just went 20 minutes ago problem, the waking up multiple times every night problem, the I better not drink water before the drive home problem. Over time, this stuff starts quietly controlling your life. You stop traveling comfortably, you avoid long meetings, you memorize bathroom locations like you're planning emergency escape routes. Unfortunately, many people get told that this is just a normal part of aging. But here's the thing, your bladder isn't just a bag that fills with fluid, it is part of a neurological communication system. Sometimes the issue isn't the bladder itself is broken, it is that the signaling system has become too sensitive. Imagine your bladder is like a smoke detector. A healthy smoke detector goes off when there is an actual fire. But an overactive bladder goes off just because somebody made toast. A tiny amount of filling triggers an alarm. A little bit of pressure triggers an alarm. The middle of the night while you are trying to sleep triggers an alarm. Eventually, your nervous system becomes hyper-vigilant. This is where something called tibial nerve stimulation becomes really interesting. Because one of the ways we can calm this overactive alarm system is through a nerve near your ankle, which sounds strange at first, but the body is basically one giant electrical wiring system. Deep near your inner ankle runs something called the posterior tibial nerve. This nerve connects into the same spinal segments involved with bladder control, primarily around the sacral nerve roots. Think of it like this. If your bladder is an employee constantly sending emergency emails, the tibial nerve is like contacting the IT department and calming the server those emails run through. We're not directly fixing the bladder itself. We're calming the communication network. That is what TTNS is, transcutaneous tibial nerve stimulation. That is just a very fancy phrase for using gentle electrical stimulation near the ankle to calm bladder signaling. Recent studies and systemic reviews have shown tibial nerve stimulation may help reduce urinary urgency, frequency, nighttime urination, leakage episodes, and urge incontinence symptoms. One of the reasons clinicians like this approach is because it is non-invasive, drug-free, relatively low risk, and generally well tolerated. Now, does that mean it works for absolutely everybody? No, nothing does. But for the right patient, this can be a very powerful tool. TTNS is less about forcing the bladder and more about calming and retraining communication. Because sometimes your bladder isn't weak, it is just overreactive. It's almost like a dog barking every time a leaf moves outside the window. We're teaching the nervous system that not every signal is an emergency. This is the part people are usually surprised by because treatment is incredibly simple. We place small electrode pads near the inner ankle. The device sends a continuous gentle electrical pulse. Most people feel a mild tingling, vibration, or gentle buzzing sensation. That is it. No needles, no surgery, and no major downtime. Sessions usually run around 30 minutes. Honestly, most people are just sitting there watching Netflix or scrolling on their phone while their nervous system gets a software update in the background. Importantly, this usually isn't a one treatment miracle. Your nervous system learns through repetition, so consistency matters. Healthcare is slowly shifting towards understanding the nervous system downregulation better. Not just stronger medications or more procedures, but asking how we calm dysfunctional signaling. TTNS fits beautifully into the future because it is accessible, conservative, neurologically logical, and empowering for the patients. This is one of those therapies where people often say, wait, why didn't anyone tell me this existed sooner? Now, obviously, this is not for everybody. If you have a pacemaker, an implanted electrical device, certain neurological conditions, pregnancy considerations, or other medical concerns, you should absolutely speak with a healthcare professional first. And not all urinary issues are because of an overactive bladder. Sometimes there is prostate issues, pelvic floor dysfunctions, infections, spinal problems, or other medical causes involved. So please don't self-diagnose solely from this YouTube. Get properly evaluated. But if your life revolves around restroom locations, if you're waking up exhausted every night, or if your bladder feels like it constantly is yelling at you, you may not just have a bladder problem. You may have a nervous system signaling problem. Sometimes the path toward calming the bladder starts all the way down at the ankle, which honestly is one of the coolest things about the human body. Everything is connected. Let us know what your thought of this is. Drop your questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe because it genuinely helps us keep teaching you. I'm Dr. Lin, and remember, we heal smarter.